Worms in action. Baby inchworm. It moves.
And back over here, hiding in there, sorry, this focus is not good. Hiding in there is a little spider. So we're seeing if inchworm boy here and spider boy over there come into contact. Can you put your finger right over spider boy, Dylan? A little closer. Close there. Oh, he's not gonna bite you. That I'm aware of. Difficult. Very difficult. Let's see some real quick. Alright, baby inchworm. Thank you. What do you have to say? Oh, hang on one sec.
Cool, huh? Bye. Hey! I gotta get a tour of our blacksmith. Okay.
What? Speak a little more clearly.
This is our blacksmith shop.
Awesome.
We're just started, so this is our anvil on the stand. Couple of hammers. Heating metal, which looks
Our homemade forge. Charcoal briquettes and a stick.
And our bucket of water. That looks like it's rusting right now.
What's going on with it? Let's see.
One way to find out.
No, don't even think about it yet.
Oh, they're hot.
Well, they've just been in the sun, Dylan. Imagine how hot it is in the briquettes.
Wow.
Do you understand what I'm talking about? Safety first.
Come on.
Why don't you show us off some of your hammers?
1 pounder. 2 pounder. And a 2.5 pounder.
Nice. All right. So what's next?
That's it. Bye. Yippee! Part 2. Come on. So we have our really old beat up anvil, which from about 15 minutes ago. Hammers, pliers, gloves, safety glasses, more hammers, quenching water, other specimen, and forge with heated and flattened metal in it. Right? Huzzah! It's part 3. Come on. So same old. We have the hammers, even more beat up anvil, Dad's hammer, equipment that we use, and finally the molten metal and the quenching. So that is basically it. We'll keep you updated. Bye. Hello. Here's a few blacksmithing tips. For beginners, always hit the tip to get used to hitting metal. One second.
Dude, oh. Okay, so pause that real quick, please. Take 2.
Now more tips with Dylan and Brent. It's a hunk of bottom metal about to come off.
Don't need that part then. Good?
Yep.
All right.
We're about to show you quenching. Bye. Quenching time.
I would say it's warm.
Yeah, I'd say that was warm.
Okay.
That was it. See you on the next adventure of me and my dad on blacksmithing. Bye. Science!
Rub it against your head. Huh.
Science! 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 Take 4. Let's let it bounce in the sink. We're gonna let it be giant.
2.
This is our first sign for the grand opening of our new shop, Backyard Forge. This is our, you can tell because of the forge, it's our blacksmithing shop. We'll keep you updated on this. Bye.
Good?
So, let's... Let's do all 4 corners, or 6 corners.
Here?
And maybe a couple on the sides, but I got last time it crushed inwards.
That one. That one. How about that?
2 right there.
Over here? Yeah.
Actually, let's do them on here, so the paper won't, till this one crushed.
Awesome.
And
Here, have a stand.
let's put 2 right there.
Have a stand right there. There you go. Why don't you stand up on that side? Closer. Get it. Get it. Love the sign. There you go. It's on a forge, right?
Okay. Grand opening, week long.
A whole week long grand opening?
Yeah.
Goodness gracious.
So we'll have a lot of people coming over.
All right.
Awesome.
So what was that, Dylan? Those people right there? What just happened?
We just got our first looks.
They drove by and backed up and read your sign, huh?
Yep.
Awesome advertising.